Hi everyone, welcome back to Healing Days Oracle, or welcome if you're new. Today we have another advice of the week for your current situation. Whatever's going on in your life that you need an advice, and I'm adding this video every day throughout the Halloween week, Samhain week, and also we get an answer here from the pendulum at the end of this reading. Okay, so every day I'm using a different deck and I read from the book as well, and you get some kind of information. So as always, if you're new, consider subscribing. My links are below if you want to have a private reading with me or anything from my Etsy shop. But what do we need to hear today? What do you need to hear today about your situation? Okay, we do have make a move. Okay, guys, so make a move here. Let me find this here because this deck is not in order here. It's different here, the way that is showing here. Make a move 86. So 86, and I'm gonna read here from the book for you. Okay, so let me see. Yes, make a move here. It is important to keep moving. This is true in the literal sense because the body functions best when it gets a certain amount of exercise, and it is true in the metaphorical sense. If we don't keep moving forward in our lives, our only other choice are to go backwards, rarely a good idea, or to stay still, which may work for a while, but it is no more healthy for the spirit than staying still all the time is healthy for the body. So this is the same way. As witches, our goal is to become the best human beings and witches we can be. That means continuing to grow and change and learn, and that means moving forward, even if it is just a little bit at a time. Action. Water is all about change and movement. The only water that isn't moving is stagnant, and usually that's a bad thing, both for the water and for everything that depends on it. Make sure you aren't just sitting still. Get up and do some form of exercise today, whether it is walking, biking, dancing, or even cleaning the house. Yes, that counts. Then think about your goals and aspirations and do one thing, no matter how small, that moves you closer to achieving them. Divination. This card is probably a not so subtle hint to get off your butt. Have you been spending a lot of time sitting in one place, maybe in front of the TV or the computer? Get up. Move around, do something, accomplish a task, any task, or maybe the issue is deeper than just daily inertia. Are you actively working on creating positive change and forward movement in your life? If not, this card is undoubtedly the universe telling you to stop stalling and just do it. Not tomorrow, not next week, now, today. Make a move. Magic. If you wanted to move forward but are feeling stuck, don't worry. It happens to all of us from time to time. Use the power of water to help you get moving again. Fill a shallow bowl halfway with water. Light a blue or white candle and face the west if you can. This is a good one to do on the full moon if the timing works out, but you can always visualize the moonlight shining on the water. If you can't have the real thing, or use the light from the candle to substitute for it. Gaze at the light on the water and think about how the moon goes through its changing phases every month, from dark to full and back again to dark, waxing and waning with the rhythm of the universe. Then think about your life and what you wanted to achieve. Put your fingers lightly into the water and swirl it around in a clockwise direction. Say, power of water, help me to become less stuck and more fluid. Help me to grow in energy every day, moving purposely towards my goals, drawing on your power and the power of the moon. Help me to move forward in any and all positive ways. So mote it be. Then flick the water on your fingers in the general direction of the moon and gaze at the movement of the water in the bowl until you are ready to rejoin the world. Just a simple thing here, guys, to just connect with water, connect with movement, Feeling that movement, feeling the energy of doing something. Maybe it's physical movement that you need. Maybe you need to take care of your body, your physical body, take care of yourself. That is needed no matter what, So any situation, it doesn't mean like crazy, but doing something small every day can help you out. But this is also thinking about what do you want to get some kind of momentum, movement in your life. Is it your love life? Is it your finances, career, your family, your connections with others, your connection with your kids, with your loved ones? What's holding you back? Is anything holding you back? Are you feeling stuck or just still? Which it works for a little bit, but not in the long run. We do need to keep moving. Our bodies are moving. Everything that we're made of is energy. So to just be able to recognize that and ask yourself, is it time to move from the situation? Do you need to cut away from something that's not serving? What do you need to do? To not expect different results if you're not doing anything about it. We really can see different results when we start moving, when you do something different, when you try. So don't be afraid of trying. Don't be afraid of going for something, trying, just movement. It could be physical movement. Maybe you needed to connect with water to help you to have that focus, that intention, and being able to do something. Start moving here. And let's get some advice here. Any kind of answer from the pendulum. Maybe you have a yes or no question, or maybe it's just an advice here, what to do. Connect with someone, maybe a friend, or any kind of direction. What is going on here? We do have yes. Give yourself permission. The guides are telling you, it is a yes. You can open this door. You can do it. Give yourself permission. Say yes to yourself. Because sometimes we create negative and worry, stress in our minds that something is not going to work. What about telling you, yes, it's going to work? Maybe it's in a different way, but it's going to work. The guides, the universe, it's conspiring to help us to grow and evolve in so many beautiful ways. So give yourself permission to move today, whether it's physically, emotionally, any direction that is going to help you out. Don't hold yourself back because of overthinking or stress. And it doesn't mean that you need to know all the answers and do everything. If you have a goal, it can take time to achieve as well. It's one step at a time. Even if it's a small movement, you feel good about doing something about it. Even if it's going for a walk or writing something or writing your goals or connecting with someone or learning something. Don't feel like you're stuck. Okay, just do something about it. And even if it's small steps, at least one step every day will be 7 steps every week, will be 30 steps every month. So just consider that, and something is moving in your life in the right direction. Yes, that's what I have here for you guys today. Let me know if you enjoyed those quick readings. I'm going to be adding throughout the week as well. If you want an extension of this reading or any other questions, my link is below for private readings as well for my Etsy shop. The crystals you see in front of you and much more is there. If you're new, consider subscribing, like and share this video. It helps the channel very much. And as always, I wish you a lovely, blessed and healing day. Thanks for watching.